Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and today this is the second part of my first video, which was about all about AI of like just represented by Canva. So as you guys know, AI is very popular today and everyone is talking about that, and many companies they are making AI based tools, vary from like paid and free of cost. And just today we have one website called Canva, which is providing free of cost AI based text to image generator tool, which is totally free. You don't need to pay anything for that. You just sign in with your Google account and just sign into that, and definitely you can enjoy the services. So today I have this Chrome open, and you just need to type in Canva AI text to image and just hit enter. And the first image, first link, or maybe this link is recommended because it's showing a free AI image generator. Just click on that link and you can see this platform. You can just go to generate AI images and it will pop up this platform in front of you. It's just asking me if you want to just use this tool text to image, whether you want to use in your existing design or you just want to use in new design. So definitely I don't have any existing design yet, so I definitely using a new design. For example, we can do an Instagram post. So you can just Instagram post a square 1080 by 1080 pixels. Just click on that and the new just tab will open, and you can see there is some they gave us some section over there, and where I need to type in, and there's a preference. You want the image in painting type, photo, concept art, 3D, pattern, or drawing. First of all, I recommend 3D. I love 3D images, so just give me a moment. Let me just put some text over there, and let's see some results. So I just put some text over there. A portrait of Harvey Dent, fantasy, sharp focus, and let me just see, sharp focus, then intricate, elegant digital painting. I'm just telling AI that I need that kind of image of Harley Dent, and I put some like preference, how he should look, and how should be the painting, and what details are required. So you can see a beautiful painting of Harley Dent I can see, and this is so detailed image, and nobody can guess is it a handmade or AI, and nobody can guess that. It's a totally AI based work, and you can see I have checked, I have just put some text and you can see the results in front of you. It's so amazing. And let me just put some pictures over there, and you can see it's just totally AI based. I never did anything. I just put some text, I just put some effort in while texting over there, and you can see the images, how is like it's too fascinating. And okay, let's see, let's write something else. And so now I have put the second text, which will create a second image for us, that is giraffe with a diamond and the gold armor surfing above a metallic shark, ultra realistic and sharp. Let's let's hit enter and let's see. It's working hard. It's hard work transforming those images. So we have results now. Let's click that one, and let's see what comes out. So almost we got the same results. So it's can't see any giraffe there. Okay, so this is a giraffe. So it's surfing on a gold and diamond armor, surfing over a metallic shark. So this is the result that image AI has given us. And let's see some different. Let's put some other things, the other text. Let's, for example, we have a picture of Imran Khan, and coat with the good hairstyle, walking on a road. Let's hit enter and let's see what results we can get now. And every time if we put the same we can get the different results in front of us. So here are the results. Let's see. So AI has given us the picture of the Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, walking on a road in a pant coat. Almost the similar images, but it's just a AI, you know, can't give us an exact picture. But let's see again what the AI can give us else. Let's delete that one, and now here's a picture, that the exact picture that I was looking for, but it's not good. Yeah, this can be negotiable. So this is a picture of Imran Khan walking on the road in a pant coat. Yeah, so I'm just winding up, and this is we can say I'm just about ending the video. So we have created some images in Canva, and it was totally free AI tool. You don't have to pay anything, just log into your account and log into Canva, and you can just get some amazing photos, which is totally amazing, and you can just give services online as well. So thank you very much. It was the second part. If you just like the video and just comment me if you want a third part, so definitely I will create a third part of this Canva as well, and I just try my best to just get some more advanced features and get some more advanced images created by Canva. I'll try my best to get something more through this video. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the day, and just subscribe to this channel. Thank you.